I woke up feeling lazy on a cold Bulgaria winter day. It's Sunday and I have one big task on my to-do. I have to complete a very important marketing campaign, but I don't have the energy. I feel lazy. I feel like procrastinating. So the first thing I did, of course, was to make myself a cup of coffee. Then, business as usual, I made myself 100 grams of oats, hoping that those two energy boosters will help me build this campaign, but it didn't happen. I still had to sit down and work on the marketing campaign. But I had this idea. Why not ask ChatGPT to write and complete the campaign instead of me? I mean, ChatGPT is super smart. I see a lot of people use it already. So why not give it a shot? Why not challenge myself to go against ChatGPT to see if the machine, if the algorithm, if the artificial intelligence can actually compete against a real marketer. And I've been doing this for around 7 or maybe 8 years now, so I'm quite experienced in marketing and I'm gonna challenge ChatGPT. I feel like in the movie I, Robot with Will Smith, when Will Smith had to fight all the robots. This time it's kind of like me against the computer. So I'm gonna compete with the computer and I'm gonna see who's gonna create a better marketing campaign. So if you feel lazy, you're gonna find out if ChatGPT is something you could use in your marketing. I'm gonna take you inside my computer and I'm gonna show you how this campaign looks like. We're inside my computer and as you can see, this is the landing page. I'm gonna use this landing page to send all the Facebook ads traffic here. And the big job I have to do for today is to write a Facebook ad. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a Facebook ad instead of me. And the big idea of this landing page is to invite people to book a call with me. So as you can see, they come to this page, they read the subheadline, they read the headline, they watch the video, and if they like what I said, they click here to apply today. It's pretty simple, kind of like the big idea of this video is that I discovered a new targeting approach that helps people get 80 to 90 calls per month. This is specifically designed for agency owners, coaches, consultants, and high-ticket business owners. I have two tabs open. One of them is my marketing campaign. The other is ChatGPT marketing campaign. And I'm gonna start writing and then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to complete the Facebook ad as well. Let's do it a little bit different. Let's do it a little bit more challenging. So I'm gonna challenge myself and I'm gonna start a timer. As you can see on the screen, I'm gonna set it to 10 minutes. So I have 10 minutes to write my campaign, to write my Facebook ad, and I'm gonna give exactly the same time for me to write the prompt for ChatGPT. And at the very end of the video, I'm just gonna compare two of the ads, and if this video gets enough likes, I might actually go in Facebook ads and test my ad against ChatGPT ad. No more time to waste. It's about to start the timer. As you can see, 10 minutes. I already lost like 5 seconds, but let's go. Okay, almost 5 minutes left. I'm quite happy with how this ad is turning out. I'm gonna show the results once I'm done, but no more time to waste. Let's go. Okay, time is also up. I just have to finish the headline and I'm gonna read you the ad. So the headline, as you can see on the screen, will be new targeting approach, produces 53 appointments for $48.53 each. And this is my ad. And as you can see, I have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's time. So I'm just gonna stop it and I'm gonna go inside my computer again and I'm just gonna show you the ad. I have some good news for people running high-ticket businesses, agency owners, coaches and consultants. I discovered a new way to target Facebook ads, bringing 53 booked calls for $48.53 each in January 2023. This needs work, but it's just like 10 minutes. So my ads run mainly in the USA, and this happened because I discovered a new way to target ads. I can target specific groups and pages. I haven't seen anybody else do something similar before. It takes tremendous manual work, but the results speak for themselves. Now, for people interested in doing the same, I created a free video tutorial showing you how this targeting approach works. I also included a case study of the exact campaign that generated 53 appointments at a cost per book call of $48.53. Check out my free video tutorial, go to this link. No opt-in required, but remember that this is a done-for-you service. The headline here is new targeting approach produces 53 appointments for $48.53 each. So let me see the length of this ad. Let me do the word count. So this is 162 words. So it's like a short ad. For 10 minutes, this is how many words I could type. And now I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna give him like the prompt. And I'm just gonna go like this. Hi, ChatGPT, please write me a Facebook ad that is less than 165 words in length. Let's do long, the following page. Let's see if it can actually do it. I'm also gonna say the Facebook ad needs to follow the Facebook ads guidelines, because if we don't follow the Facebook ads guidelines, our ad will be just rejected. Facebook ads policy. Let's give it a little twist. Make sure you write the ad in a very smart, engaging way. And let's see what's gonna happen here. I cannot use a link or something. ChatGPT is broken. The machine is broken. Let me reload the page. So again, I'm starting again. It's gonna be exactly the same thing. The ad should be promoting the following headline, the following text. And I'm just gonna grab the text from here and I'm gonna paste it. And I'm gonna go. Oh, it's writing right now. Oh my God. And I think, let me copy it. I'm just gonna paste it here in the ChatGPT marketing campaign. And I'm gonna ask the computer to generate a headline. I'm gonna be like, nice, could you write a headline for this text as well? Oh my God, I think that's insane. That's unbelievable. So this is the ad that ChatGPT wrote, and this is the ad created by ChatGPT. So attention high-ticket business owners, agency owners, coaches, consultants, course creators, and YouTubers. Are you struggling to get enough leads and sales for your business? Introducing our free video tutorial specifically designed for you. I think this will violate the Facebook ads policy. And I think this is pretty bad to write you in capitalized letters. Here you're gonna make big mistake if you use ChatGPT. So this is a no-no. Also, all the capitalized words are a no-no. I'm not sure why the text is doing it like this, but it's pretty bad. So pretty much this ad could be disapproved. So I wouldn't use ChatGPT to do marketing campaigns for me. But overall, the idea within this ad is pretty good. Again, as you can see, my ad copy is more specific, but this is because ChatGPT didn't know about the exact results that people could get. But another thing ChatGPT did very well is just like calling the audience, and this is how I would start. As you can see, my ad starts exactly the same. I'm calling the target audience. ChatGPT has some very good ideas for sure. I made a video about hating on ChatGPT and how I'll never use it. Maybe if I give it a better prompt, if I paste the exact content of the video, it would make a much better job. But at the very end, I would prefer to run an ad that I've written. I think my ad will do much better at this stage. So is this ad bad? Is this marketing campaign written by ChatGPT bad? I don't think so. It has a lot of ideas in this campaign that I can use. So the next thing I could do, I could just recreate this ad a little bit so it gets approved from the Facebook ads algorithm, and I can run it and I can split test my campaign against ChatGPT, and we can see who's gonna win, me or ChatGPT. But if I have to be realistic, I think I'm gonna win against the machine this time. But I have to make a disclaimer that in some cases ChatGPT would win because it's pretty smart. One thing I could do better in my ad would be to use emotion, would be to tell a personal story, would be to do a little introduction about myself, because that ad will go to cold audience. So this was the video for today. Let me know if you think ChatGPT ad was much better than mine, and let me know if you're using ChatGPT. Again, if you want to see me testing this ad in real time in Facebook ads, let me know in the comments below and I'm just gonna make this video. My name is Nico. In this channel I talk about business, wealth and marketing. Make sure you subscribe and I'll talk to you soon.